Welcome back to the channel. Now we are going to see regarding the concept of packages in Python programming. Till now we saw different concepts such as list, tuples, dictionary, set, all these things. Now we are going to see just what is package and how the package is defined and all these things. So first of all, a package consists of a set of similar data. All the similar values will be taken as a single package, and it can also be defined as it is a mechanism of grouping the same related data into a single unit. And it is whatever the data you are keeping, the data should be in a Python module only, and whatever the files you are keeping in a package, the files should be in a format like say underscore init dot underscore dot py represents it is an extension of Python file. So this is an example. You can observe how the file pack directory will be created. I have taken an initialization file of file 1. In that particular file, I am this particular file is regarding loans of a bank. The bank will provide different types of loans like home loan, vehicle loan, industrial loan, and so on. So all this comes under the loan category. So e- even though home loan or vehicle loan, the type of loan is different, but all consider and all comes under the consideration of loans only. So all the things will be taken as a package. So that is what the reason of this particular structure. So coming to the next one. So this is one more example. Here I have taken an initialization file of a file 1. In this particular file I am having home loan and vehicle loan. Like that file initialization, in that subfile we can have a multiple number of files. So by representing like this in the form of a file format or in the form of a package format, what's the benefit means we can easily identify what how the data is structured, and we can easily understand whatever the type of data we have given, and there will be no problem regarding identifying the names and everything, and we can easily improve how the application whatever we are designing. If we want to design any application based on this package architecture, we can design an application in a easy manner. So you can see this example here. This is the example defines that d underscore python dot classes means in a d directory I am having a file called python dot classes. In that particular file I am having two files, namely test.py and pack1. In pack1 I am having a subfiles called module1 init.py. So everything, all these 4 5 6, all these 6 files are treated as a single package with a name called init.py. And we can define multiple variables in a different functions. Like here you can observe def f1 means I am creating a function called f1. In that particular function I have written one print statement. Hello, this is a from module 1 present in pack 1. Means here I am defining a function f1 means wherever you want to call that particular function f1, you can call that function f1 directly. Why? Because you have defining that particular function in a where you are defining that particular function f1, you are defining that particular function f1 in a module 1. So by calling that module 1, you can call that function very easily. So this is what a program import pack1 dot module 1. So you are importing the statement of module 1 statement. So what is the meaning of pack1 means module 1 file is present in a pack1 file. So that is why I have written here pack1. Pack1 dot module 1 dot f1 means whatever the file I have present in a pack1, the particular function is present in a module 1 file. So I have written module 1. So like that in module 1, in which function I have created a function with name f1. So I have written there f1. So if you call that function, whatever the statement you have written there, that statement will be printed. So you can observe here define f1 print hello, this is from module 1 present in com. Next function f2 hello, this is from module 2 present in Durgasoft. Like this. This is an actual program. Here I am writing import statement, like you can call that particular function. From com module 1 import f1, from com Durgasoft module 2 import f2. So in f1 f2 I have written two print statements in f1 f2 function. So I am calling f1 function and f2 function. So by calling that functions, what happens automatically? Whatever the print statement you have written in f1 function, that particular print statement will be printed. So 8 and 9 lines are the output for the particular files. So overall, this is an architecture how functions are, how packages are created. Means first of all we are taking one library. Library means it is a home directory like that. In that particular library, we can create a multiple number of packages like package 1, package 2, package 3, so on, package n. In each and every package, we can create a multiple number of modules like module 1, module 2, so on, module n. And in each and every module, we can create multiple number of functions, and you can create multiple number of classes also. This is a general structure of a package. So this is what the general concept of package.